Hi, my name is Jessica Clare, and I'm a dating coach for New York Dating Coach, and we're here in New York City. In this clip, we're going to talk about how to get rid of a loser date. Now, this is very, very sensitive subject because it's hard to tell someone that you're having a terrible time with them. But there's a few things you can do that will help you maybe never get into this situation in the first place. First of all, a first date should be very short. Never do dinner. Never do a movie. The reason is because then you're stuck for at least 2 hours with a person that you can't stand. Also, a loser date has the option to embarrass you badly in a restaurant, whereas it's unlikely they can embarrass you on a walk through the park or getting ice cream or coffee. Those are the kind of dates you should stick to. Now, if you're still sticking to this small date as your first date and the person is still a loser and it's bad, you can't even spend that half an hour with them that it would take to get coffee or ice cream. The best thing to do is to be honest. Tell them you're not having a good time. Tell them you don't think it's going to work out, and get out as soon as possible. Leading someone on is the worst idea, especially if they're a loser. So keep your dates to a minimum, and if you can't stand them for that half an hour, which you probably can, tell them the truth right away and cut all ties. This is Jessica Clare with New York Dating Coach, and this has been How to Get Rid of a Loser Date.